Hi Roman, this is our truck. Come inside.
Hey y'all, today we are in Belgium and behind me is this amazing two-story truck that is self-built, and Carla and Lisa have been living in it already for 5 years, and today they're gonna give us a tour of it and we'll tell a bit more how was the building process. Let's have a look.
We exchanged this for an exhibition.
Yeah.
There was this IKEA exhibition when I was a student, and a lot of these things I exchanged with them.
Yeah.
So basically everything is exchanged or found. Like the table we found in Antwerp on the street. My sister and me, we dragged it home. So a lot of these things
And
you
the
see
chairs
are...
comes from the school where we
Yeah.
studied and we took it
sold
home.
them, maybe. We got them at school.
So everything is recycled?
Yeah, most of the things are
Kitchen
actually...
also. This oven comes from England. The curtains are ex-theater curtains and they never get fire and they're like quite warm and nicely dark. Floor second hand up, floor down a second hand. Here we filter our water because outside we have a water filter system from rainwater, and then this is the last filter before we drink it.
Oven and stove, you're running on gas?
On gas, yes.
And you have a gas tank? How big?
Yeah, under the truck, just a small one, but two small ones, easy to handle.
But you use gas only for cooking?
Only for cooking and one water.
And heating?
Heating is diesel. We have 2 tanks, one for driving and one red diesel tank for the heating system.
Power system?
Power system is, there are like 3 solar panels on the roof. In spring, summer is enough for living. In winter time in Belgium, in winter time we plug in with electricity. But there is still a regulator that if there's a sunny day, we move over to solar energy.
Yeah.
And then there's a 200 ampere hour battery here. The heating system starts under the truck, goes through the bottom, then goes around the corner and comes out here. And then it goes up to our bed. That's the last part. And so we can regulate also the heating system by closing the holes upstairs, that there comes more out here and vice versa. Here is our bathroom with a bath, washing machine, toilet and a sink.
And the bath is upstairs?
Yeah, because we had no corners. Because of the tackles, the system in the corners to push our second floor up, we had no corners free for a shower, so we thought to install a bath and use it also as a shower. And we do it by hand. So we take this off and then we push the second floor up, one person there, one person here, and we just talk to each other on what height we are.
So what
Just
is the
really low tech.
What is the total height when you are standing?
2.50 meters, and I think upstairs is also 2.50 meters. So in total we go 5 meters.
And from outside with the truck together?
Then you're on 6.5 meters.
How big it is?
The box is 7.50 meters.
And in total, how much living space you have?
Downstairs is 17 square meters. Plus 17 makes 34, minus 4 is 30 square meters.
30 square meters anyhow.
Something like that, yeah. That's not really big, I mean, that's normal. This is the stairs upstairs. We integrated it in the design of the kitchen. We have some storage here for clothes. There is also a heating pipe coming out on this way to heat the side of the vehicle.
This is for the cats.
This is for the cat.
So you can run upstairs.
And you built it by yourself?
Yeah, it took 4 years. Blood, sweat and tears. No.
But in intervals, eh? You have
I had
exhibitions
also
and projects
other
and stuff like
projects
this.
in between, but it was also kind of a dream because I worked in theater and in art and in public space, like say architecture. So it was also a dream of me to make a mix that goes between a sculpture or an art project, a house, architecture, and kind of a theater system with theater curtains and the system by hand to pull it up. You know, it's like a kind of a a dream come true, child dream thing, like a transformer or something that you make by yourself.
Yeah. And the big windows bring a lot of light.
Yeah, light and sun. This is the where we change our clothes, where you can sit upstairs, read a book. So extra space, and also with the big windows, we can
Watch
open
the
it.
beautiful rainwater filter from here.
Yeah. I can open it as well, right?
Yeah, yeah. For all the fashion girls who worry about their boyfriend making a tiny house, it is possible. You have to demand space for your clothes.
This is our bed. We have some storage here, inside also.
I don't know what's in there.
Oh, yeah.
Funny thing is, Carol doesn't know anything where anything
Oh,
is
yeah,
placed
here.
in the truck.
No, and we have all storage on the side. Here's the bath, but we are normally there is also a curtain hanging here to take a shower, and then with magnets connected to the side.
Yeah. And how it is when it's like windy?
If you have the strong wind on the side, you feel it. It's like on a ship. It moves a bit.
But you never felt like you want to close it down?
There was a storm, I think 3 years ago in Belgium, that they warned us by news. Then it was like 114 kilometers an hour in the strong moments, and then we slided it down. I mean,
But halfway, eh?
yeah, then we slided it halfway down because it's
And
just,
also it has never stormed the more than what it's calculated for.
no, it's calculated up to 150 kilometers an hour, but it's also not so much work to put it a bit down and then it's relaxed. You have a you can do it also half the height.
Alright, thanks for watching. If you want to find more about the exterior, then you can find it in the second video. Links from the guys I will leave in the description below, and see you in the next one. Cheers!